Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see 20 quiz questions on Indian festival. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights in India? Holi, Diwali, Navratri, Eid. And the correct answer is Diwali. Which festival marks the beginning of the Sikh New Year? Lohri, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Baisakhi, Eid. And the correct answer is Guru Nanak Jayanti. The festival of Navratri is dedicated to which goddess? Lakshmi, Parvati, Saraswati, Durga. And the correct answer is Durga. The Kumbh Mela is held once every how many years at each location? 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years. And the correct answer is 12 years. Which festival is also known as the Festival of Kites? Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Christmas. And the correct answer is Makar Sankranti. Which festival marks the end of Ramadan? Muharram, Eid ul Fitr, Sabe Barat, Bakrid. And the correct answer is Eid ul Fitr. Which festival is celebrated with the burning of effigies of Ravana? Holi, Diwali, Janmashtami, Dasahara. And the correct answer is Dasahara. The Chhath Puja is dedicated to which deity? Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Sun, Durga Mata. And the correct answer is Sun. Which festival celebrates the bond of between brothers and sisters? Karwa Chauth, Teej, Raksha Bandhan, Holi. And the correct answer is Raksha Bandhan. Which festival is celebrated by throwing colors and water? Baisakhi, Eid, Diwali, Holi. And the correct answer is Holi. Which festival is celebrated to honor Lord Ganesha's birthday? Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ram Navami, Shivratri. And the correct answer is Ganesh Chaturthi. Which festival involves fasting and praying for the long life of husbands? Baisakhi, Karwa Chauth, Ram Navami ya Dasahara. And the correct answer is Karwa Chauth. Which festival celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna? Janmashtami, Shivratri, Ram Navami, Dasahara. And the correct answer is Janmashtami. Which state celebrates Onam as its biggest festival? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is Kerala. Which festival involves building human pyramids to break a pot of curd? Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Navratri. And the correct answer is Janmashtami. Which Assamese festival celebrates the harvest and features Bihu dance? Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, Bihu. And the correct answer is Bihu. Which harvest festival is primarily celebrated in Punjab? Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, Bihu. And the correct answer is Baisakhi. Which festival is celebrated for 9 nights in honor of goddess Durga? Holi, Diwali, Baisakhi, Navratri. And the correct answer is Navratri. Which festival marks the start of the Telugu New Year? Pongal, Ugadi, Baisakhi, Bihu. And the correct answer is Ugadi. On which festival do Sikhs celebrate the founding of the Khalsa? Lohri, Holi, Baisakhi, Bihu. And the correct answer is Baisakhi. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.